Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, a Movie Queen. Chapter 60, so here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Tao Tao and Suman finally got hidden. The paparazzi already leave. Now Tao Tao said, by the way, have you been eaten? Oh, this girl, she was really sweet. Even though right now, she got really concerned about her. Why is your neck like this? Was someone suddenly asking her. Don't catch it. Well, maybe the mosquito bite her on the neck. That's why it's a little bit red. Right now, Suman, she moved closer to her. There's a little red on your neck. Let me see, Suman said to Tao Tao. Tao Tao, looking at Suman, face, it was really turning red. Well, she was blushing. Be still and don't move around, Otto said to her. But Suman, she repeated it and said, be still and don't move around. Well, this too, this feeling, it was really awkward. What a strange word. Right now, Tao Tao, she was snipping lightly. Said to herself that why does she always smell good? She smells so good everywhere. Oh, this girl, she know how to coax people. It's not an allergy, maybe. It's because mosquito must bite you downstairs right now. Well, I have a mosquito repellent in my room. Let's go get a bottle from me. Tao Tao, look at her. She's not restraining, although it seems to be following Suman's order. Well, what a cute little thing. But she's been always following her. Suman suddenly went inside on the room and said to her it was along on the edge that mosquito repellent was placed. Looking at Suman, he was staring at hers on the back. Suddenly, Suman turned around and said to her, I sent you a gift. Oh, does she means that she brought her a gift? Well, it was really exciting, right? What do you think? What is it? What is the gift of Suman to Tao Tao? Few minutes later, Tao Tao was sitting on Suman's bed. Now look at her. She seems to be nervous. Also got cramp. She was waiting for Suman. Suman was giving her a box. It be that this is a gift of Suman that she was telling her before. I saw it from the advertiser, thought it was so suitable for you, and bought it to try it out. Suman said to her. When Tao Tao sees that, it was a beautiful watch. Wow, so beautiful. Tao Tao said to Suman. Well, it was really shiny, and its looked really elegant. Well, Tao Tao suddenly noticed that there's also another box on the table. Omega, when she looked back, Tao Tao, it seems that she want to find something. Well, she doesn't realize that other watch is also wear by Suman at this moment. Oh, it turns out it was a matching couple watch. Well, Tao Tao, what did she feels for a moment? It seems that she was really getting shy. Also, she was thinking, Alpha and Omega, did Suman read some weird ABO literature recently? No, she was questioning herself. She knows that Suman is not like this, and also giving her a gift. It seems suspicious to her. I feel so bad. Suman, I want you. Suman, I want you. Oh, that's the thing. Inside her thoughts and mind. Well, at this moment, is she really imagining something? It is really closer to her. Well, let's see. It seems that her imagination is really getting wider. Why is her face red again? Wasn't it mosquito that bit her neck just now? Suman is asking her again. Well, she doesn't know that. Seeing the watch, and it was a couple watch, of course. There's a lot of things bothering on her mind. Also, for the big mosquito, whose get bite on hers. It was definitely not a mosquito that bite me, Tao Tao said to herself. Now, after seeing that nose, it was really dripping. So it turns out Tao Tao has a nosebleed. Suman is the one who's the fault of this. Suman, she moved closer to Tao Tao. Don't move. Why your nosebleed is out of nowhere. Oh, let's go to the hospital. What if he was bite by some poisonous? Oh, she was pertaining herself that he is a poisonous insect. Well, that was cute, right? Suman, she was wiping her nose. Don't. I'm fine, just a little bit irritated. Toto said to her. Look, there's no more bleeding. Toto said to Suman. Mr. Manman, have you read the strange literary works recently, taking on some niche script? Gradually, quieter, for example, ABO literature. Tao Tao is asking her. Right now, Suman seems that she is really getting puzzled. Don't know what is she talking about. It involves a knowledge of blind spot. It turns out Suman. Right now, Tao Tao. Suman is searching for it. And she can see that Suman doesn't know about this. Well, for Tao Tao, it seems that she's getting shaky. Well, I don't know it before, but I know it now. So, what was going on in your little head? Just now, we're so dry that you have a nosebleed. Well, Suman was asking Tao Tao. It was still turning red. Probably, she got really shy. Suman will always approach her like this. So close. Suman said to Tao Tao. Suman, she's really getting tricky. On the other hand, there's someone who's calling on the phone. I pretended to kiss her accidentally to see her reactions or push me away. Well, this is not good. It seems that there's a person who's following the two of them. It really makes sense. The photographer might catch a scene for the two of them almost kissing each other. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. It seems that everything seems to be complicated. If the pictures will spread out, then it was really not good for Tao Tao and Suman. So, photos will not spread through. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!